Here's your birthday present, by the way.
Ooh, sparkly.
So where'd you get all this cash?
From the pyramid scheme, yo. I signed up, and now I'm a money sheriff.
Ooh. What is the money sheriff?
It's kind of like being president of your own company, but with a badge.
We want to wear badges and eat money?
You want in, huh? Well, it's super easy. First, give me $100.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You don't give money to make money. That's like paying to have a job. And those badges are worthless. They're just to trick you into thinking you have some sort of status. This is why it's called a pyramid scheme.
Here you go.
Monies.
Great! Now you're my money deputies.
Cool. Reach for the sky, compadres.
Bangs, bangs! Horse, horse!
Yee-haw!
Looking good, y'all. Like you want to make that mummy money.
You are not cowboys, and there are no mummies in a pyramid scheme. You are participating in a fraudulent business. What you need is honest work, hard labor.
I am not the prisoner! Bang, bang!
And I'm no pregnant woman.
We are cowboys, hombre. What's next, Sheriff?
Get out there and recruit more deputies.
Hippin' and hollering.
Yeah.
Hippin' and hollering. Hungry, partner?
I'm not eating your filthy money.
Tastes real clean to me, buckaroo.